Hello everyone, how are you today? In the previous video we explaining the lesson, division of decimal number by natural number. In this video we are going to explain division of decimal number by a decimal number. I will start by explaining the lesson quickly to save time. Before I say anything we must study well previous lesson, because this lesson part of it, we must change divisor to natural number then divide them, as we took in previous lesson. But of course changing the divisor affects the dividend. I will give you first the important idea, which is changing decimal number to natural number, then how to divide. Let's explain this well and take example, so let's get started. How to change decimal number to natural number. First count how many digits have after dot. Then put number and multiplication it by 1 with zeros as amount of digits after dot. Example 2.314. Count how many digits have after dot. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget this number, right number, and multiplication it by 1 with zeros as amount of digits after dot. It is 3, so 2.314 times 1000, which is equal to 1314. The dot move 3 places after dot to disappear. Example of multiplication, 7.24 times 10. We have only 1 zero, so move dot 1 place. The number becomes 72.4. You took idea like this in decimal numeration system lesson. How to divide decimal number by decimal number. Step 1. Transform the divisor into a natural number by multiplying it by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Step 2. Multiply dividend by the same multiple of 10. Step 3. Perform the division of the new dividend by the obtained natural number divisor. Example, 5.664 divided by 2.4. The divisor is 2.4. Count how many digits have after dot. 1. So put 2.4 times 1 with 1 0. 2.4 times 10 is 24. The divisor become natural number. Now multiply dividend by 10. 5.664 times 10. We have only 1 0, so move dot 1 place. Become 56.64. So the final result is 56.64 divided by 24. Put this number in its place. Start divide before dot. As we took in previous lesson, see multiplications of 24 to see number nearest or equal to 56. 24 times 2 it is 48. It is nearest to 56, so put in quotient to and under 56 put 48. Subtract them. The numbers before the dot are over, so put dot in quotient. Bring down 6. The remainder is 86, so see number nearest to 86. 24 times 3 it is 70 to and it is the nearest number. So put in quotient 3 and under 86 put 72. Subtract them. Bring down 4. The remainder is 1 for 4. See multiplications of 24 to see number nearest or equal to 144. 24 times 4. 24 times 5. 24 times 6 it is 144. So put in quotient 6 and under 144 put 1 for 4. Subtract them. The remainder is 0, so the division end. The final answer is 2.36. So 5.664 divided by 2.4 is 2.36. Note, we cannot multiply divisor by 10, 100, 1000, etc. without multiply dividend with same number. If you are still having difficulty after this detailed explanation of division of decimal number by a decimal number, follow with us to solve some questions. But before we begin to solve the questions, these are the most important words that were mentioned in the explanation along with their translation into Arabic, because our goal is to convey knowledge to the entire world. In this lesson, I will solve only one question that includes several parts, each part having an idea. Exercise. Calculate. I will solve quickly because you took the concept before. A 40.5 divided by 0.5. The divisor is 0.5. Let's change it to natural number. To become natural number, the dot must move 1 place. So put 0.5 times 1 with 1 0, which is 10. Multiply dividend with 10 also. The dot move 1 place in both. So the division become 405 divided by 5, while both divisor and dividend are natural number. It is easy to solve. For less than 5, so take 40. 5 times 8 is 40, so put in quotient 8 and under 40 put 40. Subtract them. Bring down 5. 5 times 1 is 5, so put in quotient 1 and under 5 put 5. Subtract them. The remainder is 0, so the division end. The final answer of 40.5 divided by 0.5 equal 81. As you see, the division of two decimal number can be natural number. B. 2.31 divided by 1.2. The divisor is 1.2. Let's change it to natural number. To become natural number, the dot must move one place. So put 1.2 times 1 with 1 0, which is 10. Multiply dividend with 10 also. The dot move one place in both. So the division become 23.1 divided by 12. To less than 12, so take 23. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Greater than 23, so take 12 times 1. Put in quotient 1 and under 23 put 12. Subtract them. The digits before dot are over, so put dot in quotient. Bring down 1. The remainder is 111. See number nearest to 111 in multiplication of 12. I will give you the answer quickly. 12 times 9 is 108 and it is the nearest number. So put in quotient 9 and under 111 put 108. Subtract them. The remainder does not equal to 0. So the division does not end. Put imaginary 0 after 1. Bring down this 0. The remainder become 30. 12 times 2 is 24 and it is the nearest number to 30. So put in quotient to and under 30 put 24. Subtract them. Also the remainder does not equal to 0. So put another imaginary 0 after 0. Bring down 0. The remainder becomes 60. 12 times 5 is 60, so put in quotient 5 and under 60 put 60. Subtract them. The remainder is 0, so the division end. The final answer is 1.9 to 5. See 0.0 for divided by 0.2. The divisor is 0.2. Let's change it to natural number. To become natural number, the dot must move one place. So put 0.2 times 1 with 1 0, which is 10. Multiply dividend with 10 also. The dot move one place in both. So the division becomes 0.4 divided by 2. 2 times 0 is 0, so put in quotient 0. And under 0 put 0. Subtract them. The digits before dot are over, so put dot in quotient. Bring down 4. 2 times 2 is 4, so put in quotient to and under 4 put 4. Subtract them. The remainder is 0, so the division end. The final answer is 0.2. Note, when both dividend and divisor have the same amount of digits after dot, so keep on your mind both will become natural number. I am very happy that you have reached the end of solving the questions. This is summary of this lesson. You should know that reviewing the video is very useful, and practicing solving the questions is very important to memorize the form and logic of the information. Good luck, friends. In the next lesson we will explain new chapter, fraction.